Cardi B. What, my girl? I haven't spoken to you in a while. What's going on? You think you're taking a trip to Jamaica? That's nice. Yeah, my family's from Yard, you know. Yeah. I was born in England, but, you know, my family's Jamaican. Yeah. Well, you don't want to go out there by yourself. Will you not have a big entourage? You want my son to come with you? You want me to come to Yard with you? You don't want that. No, Cardi? You don't want that, no. Because you make a much up there from me and you go out there. And if me go out there, I have to go see my guy. Who's my guy? Yeah, well, I know who's my guy. You know who me love out there. Vibes Cartel, of course. I love and like cook food, man. I'm a good bona fide friend. You know, sir, you respect him too. You know what? I have to tell you something. And I get mad with me. You see that the man there, they offset him in the pancet. Him really offset for you. Then pick the right name to him. Him no suit you. No. Cardi, you can do better than that. What do you mean, why must I be like that? No, I tell you the truth. Don't get giddy-headed. Why you don't try cartel out there when you go to Jamaica? If you say you and him should link up, you know, and would make a good couple. Yeah, put Offset to the side. You not care if him give you a bitch ring, engagement ring. Him just know say you make it and you climb up. And eventually, you know, you go with the crown. Yes. Because right now, Nicki Minaj, now say nothing. No, man. Everybody knows say you're up there. Look how Remy Ma take you under her wings. Little Kim. Everybody loves you. Yeah, make it big now. Offset, forget somebody more on for him level. I know some LP and everything like that, but he not suit you Cardi B, man. He can do better than that. Sure. You still want me to go to Jamaica with you? On one condition. You go see Cartel. You only have to do some music, you know. If you say that would be a massive hit. That would be the pinnacle of your career. May I tell you that if you link up with Cartel. Yeah. And you know, say, I get out soon, you know. Come January, February, in free. Jamaica go mad. Jamaica go. Let me tell you, Jamaica go off them head when him come out. May I tell you? Yeah. Anyway, me have to go. Me have things to do. Me busy, man, no? Me dip on me break. Yeah. You want me to come check you in New York? Why don't you come to Florida and check me, son? Listen, me, I get warm now, you know. You girl, I get warm now. Right, me no spring chicken no more. Right. Find a big fat body down here, son. And yeah, we'll go downtown, man. Make sure you're around. You'll have the limousine ready. Alright then, darling. I'll make sure you have a drink. I just pay champagne when you drink though, you know. Oh, right. Alright, we talk